Meanwhile, Wadadah have another 48 hours to submit all the required documents to ensure they'll square off against Montego Bay United in the JFF Premier League playoffs on Wednesday, October 6th to replace UWIFC or forfeit the match. Coach Daniel Ricketts says they have made progress in having a bank account and registering the club as a company, which could help in their registration for Friday.
I've took the age of Wadadah in order to proceed with it. So I've done that, submitted, and by Thursday I may get it back in time to go to the bank on Friday and get a bank account and submit the rest of the documents to the JFF.
Ricketts knows the process normally takes 7 working days, and after starting on Monday, he knows he's cutting it close.
I had initially written to the JFF and asked him for 14 days to get the things in order. They have written to me and said that if I don't have them back by Friday at 5 p.m., the spot belongs to Montego Bay United.
Meanwhile, TVJ Sports understands that both Wadadah and Mobe United will have to fork out close to $700,000 on PCR COVID-19 tests for the one-off game next week, Wednesday.